Hello, back with Feed the Beast Infinity. Today I'm going to be building some immersive engineering, I think. Let's see. Yeah, immersive engineering. So I want to make the coke furnace. Which has the pattern that we need. Smooth sandstone, some bricks. Let's see. And the smooth sandstone. What is that? Let's go ahead and I think we put four of them, 4 stacks to give us smooth. I had some bricks, but this is good. I think we need like 32 of them, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't know. I make overkill all the time, so. I think it's cooking pretty fast. So let's see. Smooth, we'll do 16. See if that might be enough. I don't think it will be, but gives you 2 at a time. Yeah, it should be enough. Probably have a couple left over. If it's built like the other coke oven. I got the book. I sort of looked at it. Let's see. Smooth in the center. Oh, give me 32. We'll put it right back in this corner. It'd be nice right now. A zombie would just hop in there. Or even better yet, a creeper. So this pattern here is going to be solid. And we got 5 left over. Let's see, we're going to need the engineer hammer. I think you shift, click, bam. So stack coal in there. Are you working? Yeah, alright. So now we need to make the coal coat oven. That's the bricks. Another brick. That might not be enough. Let's grab a stack of that. What was the center? Magnum or Blaze? That's the compressor. Got the wrong one. And it's going to throw it down on the floor because I don't have it in there to drop. Just the black. Yeah, I think we just cook them. Get a lot more than I thought. Well, at least I won't have to go to the desert and look for more. So, man, that's a lot. A lot. We get 5 for each one. Alright, let's see. That was in the center. Should have some left over. Let's see, we'll put this in over. I think it's the same height. Oop, I feel like I'm drunk. And then same pattern. And shift click and hit. There we go. And let's see inside. So we don't want the Coke to go over there. Let's see what we're going to do here. We're going to need one of these. If it'll work on this. No, it's stuck to it. We're going to need a diamond pipe. We're going to put it right there. Then we're going to put a chest right here. Alright. We're going to need, go up here and get a bit. Alright. Need a redstone engine. We'll put it right there. Okay, now we want the creosote to go down there, so we'll get the bottles. Then we're going to want the cold coat to go to the red. So the coat's going to go in there. We're going to put that in there. Let's go over and get a stack of iron. Put a stack of iron there. Get the bottles in. Now we just need a lever. Put the lever back here. Alright, so that's going in there fine. This should go right down in there. We need that to, well, because you don't have to, but send them all up. Oh, it doesn't have it. There's a bottle. Should shoot out. Cold cave. Should go to there. Let's see. We need another wooden track. That's a fluid pipe. here. And then we'll put another chest right there. And then another redstone. Put in the back. The lever. Should grab all the stuff while I'm in there first time. And the steel's done. Should drop in there. Alright, let's set this thing up a little better. Need a hopper. Let's see, how was the hopper made? Damn, I'm just grabbing everything. My mouse is. I believe it was here. There's a hopper. Oh wait, I might not have to do that. Do a stack. So if we put them up there, I got 3 stacks of iron. So we put this in. So we'll keep that full. And I'm just wondering one more thing. Is that going to fill that up? If we took this, put them up in the hopper, we'll take the bottles in. We got 62 in there now. Yes, sir. We have 2 of them. Should be when it's done, this one. Should give us another one. It's 500. Yep, it takes. Well, I'm not sure how much it was now. Right about 600. So there's the coal coke and the blast furnace from that mod pack. Thanks for watching.